Hello, my dear subscribers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Ma Gurukul. Today, I just wanted to show what I had made for Kairav. Of course, this is again almost 4 years back, and we have seen quite a number of transfers. So it's been moving from Bangalore to Guwahati, Guwahati to Chennai. So there are a few things which we have lost in between. I need to remake it, so I'm planning to do it now again. Now this is again Montessori inspired activities. It is not exactly Montessori activities, but it is inspired by Montessori method, where the children will actually play and learn and explore and learn. Alright, the first one is now Playway Kit. PWK is what I had made it as Playway Kit. So Playway Kit 2. Okay, let me show you Playway Kit 1. Okay, Playway Kit 1 is here. Alright, so what I had done is on a white sheet of a paper I had just drawn the circles and helped color it, and on the other side just drawn the squares and left it open. Alright, just white sheets of papers, done the same thing and got it laminated. That's it, just plain white sheets of paper which is available at home, and colored it, got these laminated. Right, so the first one I started for Kairav with this, that is sorting. He needs to sort based on the color, based on the shape. If you observe, all of them of the same color. So now initially he used to do this, right, and slowly he has come up, then he's tried to match a triangle with the triangle and a circle with a circle. I'm sorry if we have lost the star, but I will be making them soon. Right, so this was the first one. This is based on sorting. He needs to sort it based on the shape, all of them having the same colors. Now the second one is matching. I have all of them. Alright, so all of them can be removed. It just got a double side tape. Right, it can, even if water is going to fall, or if it spill water, or even if they're going to write it on the sketch, you can still easily erase them, or you can easily wipe them off. Alright, so the second one is I gave him shapes, but then again with different colors. So now the child can either match color and color, and or the shape and the shape. Alright, so this is the second one, matching. So usually when we give it to them, we give it to them like this. Alright, so the child will lift it up and try to match. Alright, so this is the second one which I had got it done for my son. This is I have made it by myself. So of course you can go for the printed versions, so probably if you get it printed then it will look much neater, but then I have just taken some effort to draw it by myself and color it and then make this ones. Right, the next one is counting. Now these ones I had got these activities done by Kairav. Remember, I had shown this for bindis. Right, so I used to give Kairav a circle and then just a dot there and ask Kairav to stick on to the bindi. So he has stuck these bindis up when he was a child. Of course he's still a child. So what I did is I gave him different ones of different sizes. Can you see the size variations here? Alright, and then what happens here is he needs to match the size also and count them also. Alright, so I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I need to count where is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is not gonna go, and then this will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so counting and matching. But then I've got this activity of bindi pasting also along with it done for him. Right, so 1, and then there was 1 being attached, 3. So then he or she will have to count 1, 2, 3 and then find out the corresponding one and match it. So it is counting and matching. Right, so these ones, of course you can modify with n number of themes. You can probably paste on stickers, like say colored stickers of say a butterfly or Spider-Man. If your child is liking some cartoon, then you can go off with the cartoon pictures. You can do n number of variations in this, and you can create your own ones with these. Alright, it can, like for example, you can also get these graphic pictures on through you if you are very good in using your Microsoft Word. Right, so you can make it up, take a printout and then get these done also. So there you can have a butterfly, and then the child needs to have the butterfly. Probably you can have all of them being butterflies, so red butterfly, green butterfly, blue butterfly, etc., etc., and you can give the matching same sticker butterflies which are available, right? So you can make n number of variations with this. So these are the 3 variations which I have showed it to you, right? So one has been sorting. They will sort based on the shape. The next is shape and color. The next one is counting and then trying to match, right? Of course you can do again variation in this. What you can do is probably instead of these ones you can just give numbers, right? So 1 2 3 4 5. So the card can just have only number 5 written on it, and then he or she needs to match the number. So that also can be made or modified, right? I hope you will try, and if you do try, just in the comment section you can just post on some pictures of your child or what you have done. All right. And yeah, if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Ma Gurukul. Thank you.